Hello friends, you are watching the famous festival not only in the Odisha also in the all over the world, the Rath Yatra festival, the festival of the Lord Jagannath. You can see so many peoples are here to watch this Rath Yatra festival. It is also one of my favorite festival. I hope that it is also your one of the favorite festival. So comment below that how many peoples are you like that who visited to the Odisha and watched this festival in any city or in any town of the Odisha. This Rath Yatra festival is happening in the Bolangir town, and there are so many people getting the prasad of Lord Jagannath. Rath Yatra festival is also called as car festival in English. You can see people are holding the rope of the chariot and they are going to pull the Rath of the Lord Jagannath with the devotion. You can see many children are getting happy in this festival. Thanks for watching. See you again.